feet to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Kaya tayo doon. Ha? Ayan, kayanin mo, Barbie. Dali nga. Maanda na lang siyang kusa, oh. Walang nagda-drive. Sugoy na. Sobrang luwang talaga dito, kaya yung mga anak nyo talagang ma-enjoy sila dito. Dito pala sa Forest Park, may iba-iba din dyan na pwede nyong gawin. Mayroon din silang parang mga ostrich, pero hindi na kami pumunta. Mas gusto kasi nila ditong sumakay. Pag pumunta kayo rito, kailangan maghintay kayo hanggang gabi para makita nyo yung illumination. Sobrang ganda, promise, ang ganda-ganda. Panoorin nyo yung part 2 ng aking video kasi doon nyo makikita yung illumination. Huwag nyo din pong kalimutang mag-subscribe and like and share na rin sa aming channel. Salamat po!